Hello everyone, we've had lots of inquiries about our new PM Benchmark Literacy Assessment resource and I'd like to help you unpack it today. The kit has some exciting new components which help make it an effective and efficient tool to assess students' reading levels. So let's take a look inside. There are 60 brand new titles in the kit, 2 titles at every level, and there are both fiction and non-fiction titles. You will notice the non-fiction titles begin from level 6 onwards. The Pre-Level 1 assessments allow you to assess a child's literacy competencies in oral literacy, phonological awareness, concepts about print and phonics. You will find 2 cards and a 4-page student recording sheet covering 6 assessment tasks which you can use in any order. I think what teachers will really appreciate about the Pre-Level 1 assessments is how easily they can be used. They can be done pre or post assessment in terms of checking where children are up to. Teachers only need to use these 2 cards and the 4-page recording sheet to assess where children are up to and then design next steps for teaching in terms of linking it to their guided reading session. We used to get a lot of questions from you about students reaching level 30 and what to do next. We have added post-level 30 assessments to address this. There are 6 assessments, 2 informative, 2 imaginative and 2 persuasive, which focus on critiquing and analysing text. I think teachers will really appreciate the fact that it's a much deeper assessment than the normal level 1 to 30 assessment that they've been doing with children, where children have been learning to read. A post-level 30 is about children now reading to learn. And so the focus is much more on critiquing and analysing text. The texts they use in a secondary context are very much similar to the types of text they will find in the post-level 30 assessments, and the questions that children are asked about those texts are very reflective of what they will experience in the secondary context. So also in the kit you'll find a new and improved teacher's resource book. It has a fantastic Q&A section in it and describes the whole process of undertaking the 3 new components of the benchmark kit. There are also 3 new procedures cards that outline the process step by step to help teachers undertake the assessment with their children. There's a QR code on the back of every card in the kit. This makes life for you very easy. If you misplace a recording sheet from the kit, you can scan the QR code and easily print a new recording sheet for you to use with your students. The teachers that I've spoken to have really liked that they can use this one kit, this one tool to assess all the children in their school from Foundation through to Year 6 and even into Year 7 and Junior Secondary. Rather than get other assessments from other places, they can go to this one place and use all of the assessments in this kit to assess the balance reader. If you would like to purchase a kit, feel free to reach out to your local Nelson sales consultant in your area.